In this video, I'm going to try one of the most popular affordable brands I've seen throughout my YouTube comments because you guys been recommending it to me for quite a while. So I'm super excited to try it, and this is gel polish by Beetles. I have a color kit and a blooming gel coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. I received so many recommendations about this brand from you. That's why I especially wanted to try it. So I picked this unicorn gel polish kit. It includes so many bright and summer colors, and you know guys that I love them. And also I decided to pick a blooming gel because I have some ideas on what design I would like to create with them. So let's get started. We have blooming gel and we have this unicorn kit, 20 pieces gel polish. Ooh, hey there, gorgeous. All right, let's take a look inside. And we have application guide. And we have, look at this beautiful plastic box. This is so convenient. I'm definitely keeping this because I think you can just carry it around, you know, place on your workspace, and when you need to take it somewhere. This is amazing. I mean, look at these plastic sections. Okay, so I really like the packaging. And what do we have inside? We have 20 colors. Wow, this one is tiny, 5 milliliters. We have regular size base coat, matte top coat, and glossy top coat, and the colors are really small. I'm really curious what are they gonna look like because I received so many good recommendations about the quality of the colors. So let's do the swatch. But first, we need also to take a look at the blooming gel. I really have a few ideas in mind on what to do with this gel. Okay, it's clear and it's awesome, which means we can use it on top of any color. This consistency is so satisfying to work with. It's medium thick, so if you're struggling with flooding sidewalls or cuticle areas sometimes, with this color you will not have this problem. So this is just one coat of the color, and you can always see the numbers in the corner, and this is just one coat. This collection includes both cream and glitter colors. So glitter ones are slightly thinner and more transparent, and I think this color can also be used on top of any other background to change it and to add some shimmer. I will be showing you a few colors at once so you can see for yourself. So this is only one coat, and all cream colors have a great coverage, like one coat is enough. However, if you would like to use a shimmer or glitter color just by itself, you will need at least two coats. I can already see some awesome iridescent colors, and I think they're going to look great on top of some bright color. So let's try it. The numbers are in the corner again, and yes, this magenta looks great when we have some glitter on top of it, and now we have more pastel shades. Oh wow, this jelly green color with glitter is everything. I'm definitely using it for the design today. And now we have two coats, which gives a better coverage and great colors. When I tried top coats, I noticed that the consistency is also medium thick, and this is super convenient when you want not just to apply it, but also to level up the surface if it's bumpy a little bit. So first we tried a glossy one, and now I will show you a few colors with the matte top coat. I love mixed collections when they're both cream and glitter colors, and I think this one is just perfect for spring and summertime. Let's try it on nails because I have some cool design in mind, and I will be using multiple colors definitely. This is my model for today. First, we're going to start with the prep. I take off the surface shine, but I'm doing this very carefully because we just took off the product, so I'm using 180 grit file, but I just slightly touch the surface of the nail. Then I proceed to the prep and push back the cuticles with orange wood stick. And it seems like we have some leftovers of the product in the corners. Short nails are cute, but on long nails we have more space for the nail art. That's why we will be doing fast extensions. First I apply dehydrator and then non-acid primer. I will be using soft gel tips because this is the fastest way to do extensions. We will also need a base coat and I will be using the one from the kit. Whenever you apply it, it doesn't matter if you're doing extensions or overlays, the first coat should always be thin. Consistency of Beetles base coat is medium, which is exactly what you need, not too runny, not too thick. Whenever you apply it, make sure it's not flooding the skin. If you're working with a client with the deep C-curves, I recommend you to apply it on 2 or 3 nails and then freeze cure them. Do not apply it on all nails at once because it may flood the sidewall. Then I'm going to attach the tips. We decided to do long coffin shape because, like I said, the longer nails you have, the more canvas will be there for some art. However, the design I'm going to show you today will also work great on short nails too. You will just need a little less product. Once we apply the tips, we need to cure them for 60 seconds in LED, and this is it. Super fast and easy. I personally prefer buffing the tips before applying color. This is not necessary. You can use acetone or alcohol instead, but to me this is just more convenient to apply the color and especially the design on top. Just make sure you clean all the dust before doing this. We decided to use mint, green and blue colors for this design. I will be using this color as the background on a few nails. I think this color is like between mint and light blue. Here's a little secret on how to apply the color closer to the cuticle. First you take some color on the brush and then gently push it towards the cuticle line, but do not let it touch the skin. Do not start from the cuticle line right away because this way it's extremely hard to make this line crisp and sharp. But once you do it with the product instead of the brush, it is so much easier. And then apply the rest of the product on the nail. Before curing the color, check it from all sides, and if you accidentally touch the skin, you can always clean it and use orange wood stick or your own nail as long as you're wearing gloves. That's the great thing about gel polish. Before curing, you can fix everything. At this point, I have to say that I enjoy working with this product, and I would like to say thank you for all the recommendation guys for the Beetles brand. The consistency is super comfortable to work with. I like that the collection includes so many colors, but on the other hand they come in a small volumes, so you will have many colors and then for the next season you can just buy another one. For the next nails I will be using this different green. By the way, it looks so different in the camera. I mean, it's kind of similar and bright like it is in real life, but still different. However, it perfectly matches with the color that we already used, and this is another thing that I noticed about this collection. It seems like almost every color matches with each other so well, and this is great because whenever you buy a new collection, you would like to use multiple colors and sometimes they just do not match and you just sit there thinking, what design should I come up with? But once you already have matching colors, this is not a problem at all. I will need only one coat because I will be doing the design on top, and this is how we do it. Apply a few colors of your choice on the foil. I'm using 2 colors, the same ones I used for the background, and this gorgeous green and blue. Then I slightly mix them with a thin brush, with a detailer brush. Do not overdo it. And then I pick it up with an ombre brush, and this is what we need to have. Before I apply this gorgeous pattern on the nail, I'm going to use a blooming gel. You can apply it on the entire surface of the nail, or if you plan to do only small parts of the marble, you can apply it on corner or only on the free edge. Do not cure before applying the design. This is very important, otherwise it's not going to work. And then just release the colors, and the rest the product is going to do for you. So you can stop at this point, or I thought this is the thumb, we definitely need more colors, and you can just keep going by adding more colors. And we're going to do the same on another nails, and the trick is that I'm using the background color among the colors for the design, and that's why it looks so matching. This technique could be done without blooming gel, but in this case we will just have marble on the nail. With blooming gel we also have an ombre in between the marble and the background color, and I think this is what makes it unique. Also, blooming gel is moving the colors a little bit, and I think they look so much better and a little faded compared to a traditional marble technique. As I suspected, this gorgeous jelly glitter green color looks awesome, especially when it's like in the middle of the design. Honestly, I didn't plan to cover the entire nail with marble design, but once you start doing this, it's so satisfying, it's almost impossible to stop. Like this nail, I planned to add some marble only on the free edge, and then I'm like, no way, I should stop now, we need to add a little more. Let me guys know if you do this sometimes too. You just plan to do a little bit of nail art and then you end up having a lot of nail art. For another nail that is darker than the rest of them, I will be also using the background color in the middle, so it is going to perfectly match. Once you apply this marble look, cure it in LED for 60 seconds, and this is what we have after curing. Oh my god, I feel like I would like to have the same design for myself. And now we only need to seal it with the top coat. Since this glossy top coat has medium consistency, I will apply a little more than usual to level up the surface and to make it super smooth and shiny. This is the final look. Let me guys know what do you think. I definitely recommend Beetles brand for beginners and for pros. The links will be in the description box as well as the discount code. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews, just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.